What's up friends, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean up your Gmail inbox. Now, once you're in Gmail, there are a few ways how you can go about cleaning up your inbox. I would recommend go ahead and ensure that you have the smart features turned on. And with the smart features, it allows you to have your emails separated from primary, promotion, social, updates, and so forth. And you can easily check if this is on by clicking on the gear in the upper right. Then click on see all settings. And of course, on the general, scroll down and look for the smart features. So once this is turned on, guys, you'll be able to have your email separated in categories. And I'm going to show you. So as you can see, mine is turned on. If I turn it off like this, Gmail is going to reload, but it's going to have everything together just like this. And as you can see at the top, there is no smart feature. So having the smart feature on allows you to separate and to categorize your emails into different sections so that you can easily know what is what. I'm going to turn it on back, and so you will be able to see. Now, once this is on, then you can go through the different sections, of course, and kind of clear out what you don't want. So, for example, in the social, if you want nothing to do with, for example, these updates coming from LinkedIn, you can go ahead and you can select everything and then click and delete. I also want to show you something as well. So, let's say you're receiving emails, for example, LinkedIn, and you don't want these or any other emails that you're receiving, you can click here, and in the email, you will see unsubscribe. And so you can click on unsubscribe from here. And sometimes they have them at the bottom of the email as well, where you'll be able to see unsubscribe. And so you can unsubscribe here as well. This ensures that you don't receive emails continuously from update from a particular sender. So you want to click unsubscribe from here, or you go ahead and click the unsubscribe from here and click on unsubscribe. And it will ensure that you're unsubscribed from an email and you don't receive loads of email coming from that sender, right? So that's one way you can do that to ensure that going forward you don't continuously get emails. So another thing is that you can delete the emails. And so for example, as you can see in my inbox right here, I have loads of emails from LinkedIn. But let's say it was from someone else as well. What I could do, I could go ahead and find one of those emails. I could right click on the email and you will see the option find email from LinkedIn. So it's going to show you to find email from that particular sender. This allows you to filter out all the emails coming from that particular sender. And once you find those emails, you can go ahead and click the select on the upper left, and then you can click and delete from here. And so that's way how you can easily go ahead and delete those emails from a particular sender. Right, so that's it. Now, the next way is to go through those different categories as I showed you. So for promotion, you can come here. You don't want any promotion. You can click and delete, and you can continue the process until you're cleared out. Right, and as I said before, if you don't want to continuously receive emails, ensure that it doesn't matter which category you go to, you can go ahead and open up those email, look for the unsubscribe button, and click on it to ensure that going forward you will not receive emails. So this is going to help you because you don't want to continuously be doing the same thing over and over again to continue to delete. So once you find an email that you don't want to receive from, click on it and open it, click on unsubscribe. And then you know that once you start to delete those emails, you will not be receiving them anymore going forward. And so that's it. So then after you go through those different categories to ensure that you don't receive those emails, guys, then you want to go to your trash, you expand, click more, then you're going to go to your trash, and then you can always go ahead and click on all and delete or empty your trash. Click delete forever to empty your trash. This is not something that is mandatory to delete or empty your trash because after 30 days, the trash will be cleared anyways for you. And so if you don't mind, you can just wait and it will be cleared on its own. But if you want to clear it up, you can do that. Also, you have the option once you select, it will also give the option on the top that says select all 188 conversations. If you have loads of emails within your trash, you can do that because when you select, it only selects 50 on this page. But if you want to clear it out altogether, click on this option that says select all, and it's going to ensure that it selects all. And so once you click delete, it's going to take some time, as you can see, but it's going to automatically clear the entire trash for you. And so that's pretty much all that I want to share with you guys, how you can easily clean up your Gmail mailbox or your Gmail inbox. And I hope you found this valuable. Thank you guys for watching. Give this video a like if you found value. And if you're new to my channel, I'm Andrew. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see more tutorials just like this one.